Wild, Wild Hair by Nikki Grimes, illustrated by George Ford. Tissa Walker's hair was long and thick and wild. Sometimes Tissa's daddy called her his wild child. But every Monday morning, Tissa stayed in bed. She hung onto her pillow. She dove under the spread. School was not the problem. She liked going there, but Monday was the day Mommy braided Tissa's hair. "My hair's a mess," she'd say. "So what? I'm just a kid." Tissa said that every week, and every week she hid. Her daddy looked for her. She hid behind a door. "Come out, Tissa," he would say. "What are you hiding for?" Her brother checked the den, looked up and down the hall. He walked right past her twice, pressed flat against the wall. As always, Tissa's mother found her behind the stair. "Let's go," Mommy said. "It's time to do your hair." So Tissa balled her fist and curled up all 10 toes. She closed her eyes. She made a face. She said, "Okay, here goes." "Ouch!" she cried before the comb had touched her head. Tissa fussed and grumbled. "I wish I were in bed." Her hair was full of knots. Her mom raked through each one. Tissa stuck her lip way out and said, "This is no fun." "Just cut your hair like mine," her brother, Steve, would tease. "I can brush mine once or twice, and I'm all set to leave." By now, Tissa was sure to jump out of her skin. Her mother sighed and said, "All right, I can begin." At last, Tissa sat still, as Mommy told her to. Soon 20 braids were done. Her mother's fingers flew. Now Tissa eyed herself. She couldn't turn away. Steve rolled his eyes and said, "The bus won't wait all day." Tissa grabbed her coat and gave her mom a hug. She even smiled when her brother Steve gave one thick braid a tug.
Thanks for joining us, guys. And remember that AM and PM story time is for any time of the day, whether you're just waking up, noontime snacking, or bedtime is happening. Stop by and enjoy a book with us.